Problem is here. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, jeez.
See that?
Yeah.
If a foot goes through that, you got a huge problem. Look at that. You see it?
Yeah. And that's all rustic, right?
Yes,
I
it's
can see the
done.
rustic.
So what I have to do is reverse engineer this and made it out of wood. Look how beautiful. Look at that. We did that.
Right,
In
yeah,
wood.
yeah.
Look how beautiful that looks.
You're gonna
Yeah,
do the
no,
whole stair, the whole step,
Yeah.
or just
So we're going to make this whole thing in wood.
Yeah.
But it's not you do this overnight. It has to be.
Right.
You have to do the blueprint, buy the proper wood for it, treat it,
Right.
cut it, make it. You know.
So the rest of the structure we're going to keep it.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
everything.
That's the skeleton. Is the frame.
Right.
Yeah, but it does that because it's missing the ball.
yeah.
So what we want to do, I'm going to find a solution very quick, like tomorrow,
Okay.
so we can do it and do that, so we can open it. Like. And now we have to come up with a different idea. So what I did, I cut this hole in it. We saved it, but it could last us maybe another year. We have to do something different.